Hi everybody. Today we're going to make, with your class, a strawberry cucumber boat because I know you love your strawberries. So, your filling is going to be made with strawberries and grapes, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and lemon juice, and some mint leaves. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to use all of it if you don't like something. So the first thing we're going to do is pull up our leaves on our strawberries, slice those off. Then you're just going to slice up your strawberries any way you want. Okay? Add them to the bowl. You can zoom on just the food. They don't need to see me. So, again, we'll pull up the leaves, slice them off, cut up the strawberries any way you want. See, the seeds on the strawberry are itsy bitsy and they're on the outside. Everything's been washed for you. Now your grapes, if they're little, you don't have to cut them up. But if you get some big ones, you might want to. Make sure you pull the stems off, because they'll fit better in your boat if you cut them up. Bet you didn't know we were going to go sailing on a cucumber boat today. Whoops. Helps if I hold the grape. I think it's Liam that likes grapes, right? Am I right? If I'm not, you can tell me. Then we're going to just rip up our mint. Small. You can leave the stem off if you want. You can use as little as you want or as much as you want. Oh, I love the smell of that mint. As you rip it up, you can really smell it. I might use a little bit more. Look, this is a huge leaf, so I don't think I'll use all of that. Maybe half. All depends how much you like mint. Here, put the bowl over here so you can see it. Okay. Now, we're going to add the balsamic vinegar. Only if you want to. Some people find vinegar very strong, so I'm going to add just a little. A little bit of the oil. And we have our lemon juice. Now we're going to mix it all together. The recipe says you can even add pepper if you want. And then you have a little feta cheese. Got to put a little protein in here. So mix that in. Break up the big chunks of cheese. Now we're going to clean out our cucumber. You're going to take your spoon. We're going to go down the sides. If you want to grow cucumber, these are the seeds they use. See, you pull them right out. Oops, I lost, there it is. And you can probably see it on the red cutting board. That's what you use to grow cucumbers. Okay, we'll scoop out the inside. You can eat the inside if you want. Some people use it to make drinks. Okay, once you get that out, you're going to take your filling and scoop it into your cucumber. You got a lot of filling. It's more than you're going to need. Well, it depends how big your cucumber is. And there you go. We have fruit, dairy, and depending on how you count it, vegetable. Nice, cool, refreshing summer snack.